What's up, guys? Wanted to make a quick video and show you guys this good little car meet we went to today. It had a great turnout, especially for our little local area. We're going to jump right into that, but I wanted to show you, give you a little update. I actually been putting together some videos of when I got this new turbo. Kind of a bunch has happened since the last video. When I raced that Cadillac, the next day the turbo went out. So that kind of explains some stuff. Been dialing in the car. Also ordered some 2200cc injectors, which is going to change everything. So now that I have the car kind of back dialed in, we'll be changing everything again. But also been working on my shop, kind of painted and changed some stuff up. Got a new toolbox. Tried to do the floor in put a epoxy on it and put like some flake in it. So that's kind of looking good. Here's the new turbo. But anyway, I may put together, I took a bunch of video of when I got the new turbo. Here's the old turbo right here. Here, if you can, yeah, it's stuck. It actually won't even move at all right now. So went from went up to a GT35 GTX because it's a billet wheel 3582, and had it all cleaned up for the meet today. Also, since the last time y'all seen it, I went back to a wider tire setup. This is a 255/40/17. So yeah, anyway, without holding you up too much, here's that clip.